Hello my friends from YouTube. Today I'm gonna show you how to remove a charging port. This is from Altec speaker. The charging port is not working anymore, so I'm gonna remove it, but it's not easy because basically I need to remove the USB, the charging port, and the audio connector. Before we do this, I need to tell you that everything you do is in your own risk. I am not responsible for any damage that you cause to your devices. This video is for education purpose only. And also I recommend that every time you open an electronic device, wear one of these anti-static. It's a bracelet. Okay, so you just put it in your hand. Okay. And we're gonna use super wick. We're gonna use soldering Flux. Okay, and this one is cheap QUIK. This one it helps you to remove the solder from the motherboard and the charging port. But be careful and please read this when you buy it, okay? Because it's kind of dangerous material, okay? So read that when you buy it, okay? And also, if your kids are around, be very careful because they can grab all these parts and it's dangerous. And also they can play with the soldering station, the solder station, and they can harm themselves. Okay, so be careful. Basically, I usually work when no kids are around because it's dangerous. So what we're gonna apply quick chip. We're gonna apply quick chip right here, all the way, and here also, and try to remove it. It's not an easy job, but let's do this. Okay, so let's get some. First, we're gonna put a Flux everywhere you want this. Later, we can clean it with alcohol. Okay. I'm gonna try to not remove the audio adapter. Okay, so let's see if I can do this without removing. So you apply everywhere Flux, and then we're gonna apply chip QUIK. I'm gonna make some small cuts. Okay, so now we're gonna put one here, over here, the other side, then the other side. Okay, and then now we're gonna melt it. Okay. Okay, and I hope that helps to remove the old solder. Okay, so now we're gonna use this. I got this this weight to see if I can hold it here because it's so difficult. To hold everything at the same time. Okay, so now let's put more flux here, and now we're gonna try to desolder. Okay, let me see if it works or not. So we're gonna go here and here. Okay, let's see. Hope it works. Be careful because you can burn yourself. I don't know, looks like it's working. Okay. Now let's go to the other side. Now let's this side. When you remove some, make sure this is clean. The super wick is clean, it's new, so that way it removes the solder. Okay, so once again, now let's see. Looks like it's working. Okay. So now let's go here. We're gonna work here. This fork. Also, when you remove the any port or charging port or USB port, make sure when you remove these lines, make sure you remove then you clean the solder very well, because the USB have lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, and also the motherboard have 4 lines. So so they stick together. They make make connection with the solder when you put the solder. So if just you make a mistake and remove the line that is on the motherboard, then it's so difficult to fix it. Okay, so let's try this. So that's why we had to make sure the lines are clean, very clean before we remove it. Okay. Okay, let's see. You see? It's out. Now it's out. Okay. So the USB, it come out so nice. Look at it. And also I have the 4 lines right here. Perfect, the 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sometimes this come out, the gold thing, and then it's so difficult to put it back or put a line there. So okay, so we remove the USB. Later I'm gonna wash this with alcohol. Okay. Also will be nice if we have like a little container with alcohol and we drop it there. But I don't have one now. Okay. So now let me try to remove the charging port. See? Okay, so this is the charging port. Look at it. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4 connections. So I'm gonna put a chip, quick chip. Okay, I have one here. Okay, so let's put again quick chip. Okay, I think this is enough. Also make sure this is clean, your point. So right now, let me see if this one works without. Let me see. Okay, let me put a little bit. Okay. This need to be flat. Okay, let's try now. Let's put a new one, okay? Let's cut it here. Okay. As you see, look at right here, it's kind of clean already. So it's working very nice. So let's put more flux. Okay, looks good. Let's see now, okay, if I can remove it from the other side. No, it's still here, right here. See? Right here, I still have a lot, so let's keep working. So I need to put some quick chip with this. Oops, I dropped it. Okay, then I have another hip on the other side. Okay, so now okay, so now this way, here's this one. Maybe I forgot the, okay, okay, so now let's try. Okay, let's try this one first. It's hot. Okay, looks like it's working. Okay, always clean this one, your point. I don't know how you call this in English. Okay, so now let's go to the other side. Okay, so also you wanna learn how to do this, grab something that a device that you don't use, is broken, and take a and practice with something that you don't care if you damage. That's the best way to learn, because sometimes when you try to fix these things and it's your first time, you make mistakes, and then you break something, or something goes wrong. I made many mistakes when I was learning. It was so difficult to me to learn how to solder things. Okay, let's see now if I can. Let's see, it's coming out. Look at it. Also, be careful, don't break these pins inside, because then to take it out, oh my god, it's so difficult. So, okay, this one, it looks like it's coming out, but see, it's still holding. Yeah, the problem is that it's too close to the audio jack here. So let me do something. Okay, so let's. I knocked down my phone. Okay, let's see. Okay, fine, and everything looks good. Since it looks like I touched the camera and looks like I touched the camera in his duty. Let me see. Okay, so after you remove everything, so make sure you clean everything. I don't know what's wrong, but my camera is not good now. I dropped my phone. Okay, that's the way you remove it. And after you you remove the charging port, make sure these are clean, and put more flux, and also try to remove put with the super wick, try to remove all the extra solder that you have in there, so that way you can put the new one. Okay, I'm gonna make another video how to connect the new charging port. Thank you so much for watching my video. Give me a like, please subscribe. I need a lot of subscribers. If you have a channel, I will subscribe to. Thank you so much. Yeah, I don't know what happened. My camera is not working fine. You see, I cannot. Okay, but thank you. Thank you.